This Realty ONE Group Select property video is presented by Rick Carter. Multiple offers received. Seller calling for highest and best by Wed March 16, 2022 at 3 p.m. You must see this stunning renovation with over 1,600 square feet in Colony Acres. 10 minutes to Southend and Uptown Charlotte. The keyword with this home is new. New roof, new windows, new kitchen cabinets with granite countertops, and new stainless steel appliances. Newly updated bathrooms with new laminate flooring. Nothing has been missed in this beautiful home. There is so much to see here. Make your appointment now. This one will be gone in a matter of hours. Seller makes no representation to the working order of the fireplace. The seller has never used the fireplace. For more information, review the details below.